Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fuel filter step by step. Start by locating the filter and confirming the fuel flow direction, then gather tools and safety gear. Relieve fuel system pressure carefully and ensure you have a catch container for spilled fuel. Plan each step, take photos of hose routing if needed, and prepare a proper disposal method for the old filter and contaminated rags. Begin removal by relieving fuel pressure, then use the correct wrench to loosen fittings while holding the filter to avoid spills. Support hoses and use pliers or quick disconnect tools as required to release clips without tearing the lines. Catch fuel with a suitable container and clean any drips immediately with absorbent rags. Inspect hose condition and clip integrity before pulling the filter free so you can replace damaged parts if needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-repair cleanup effortless and surprisingly relaxing. It handles dust, debris, and small metal shavings so you can focus on the job, not the mess. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new filter in the correct flow direction, secure clamps, and hand-tighten fittings before final torque to avoid overstressing components. Replace any brittle hoses or rusty clamps while access is easy, and double-check alignment so hoses are not kinked. Reconnect the battery, prime the fuel system if required, and start the engine briefly to inspect for leaks. Monitor the area for a few minutes to ensure a safe, leak-free installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.